If you're waiting to feel motivated before you start working, you've already lost. Because the most successful people in the world don't wake up feeling motivated every day. They wake up and do the work anyway. Think about your own life for a second. How many times have you promised yourself, tomorrow I'll be different, tomorrow I'll wake up early, tomorrow I'll stop procrastinating, tomorrow I'll finally stay consistent. But somehow, tomorrow never comes. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your biggest enemy isn't laziness, it's comfort. Every day your brain is choosing what's easy over what's important. Scrolling social media is easy, watching videos is easy, making excuses is easy. But building the life you want, that's hard. And that's exactly why most people never succeed. The moment you wake up, your phone starts controlling your attention. One notification becomes 10 minutes. 10 minutes becomes an hour. And before you know it, another day is gone. But highly disciplined people do something different. They don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. They remove distractions before distractions remove their focus. Want to know the simplest discipline hack? Make it harder to quit than to continue. Put your phone in another room. Turn off notifications. Set a timer for 30 minutes. And for those 30 minutes, do nothing except the task in front of you. No checking messages, no scrolling, no excuses. Because discipline isn't about feeling strong, it's about acting even when you feel weak. And here's the secret nobody talks about. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, your confidence grows. Every time you break one, your confidence shrinks. That's why you shouldn't focus on huge goals. Focus on winning today. One workout, one chapter, one task, one promise kept. Do that every day, and eventually you won't just have better habits, you'll become a different person. So here's my challenge to you. Stop waiting for motivation. Start before you're ready, because the life you want is hiding behind the work you've been avoiding. If you're done making excuses, comment "No excuses."